Today I'm painting a tree, but not a regular one that just stands straight. No, this one's got character. Its trunk bends and twists, first to the left, then right, then down again, curling almost like it's dancing. I really love when trees have that kind of movement. It feels alive, expressive, full of emotion. I start, as always, with a light sketch, just to mark the main flow of the trunk and branches. Then I move to watercolor. For the base, I mix different shades of green, from soft, almost lemon green to deep forest tones. I don't want it to look flat, so I add touches of brown for warmth, and even a bit of red and purple here and there. They make the greens come alive and add depth to the foliage. For the shadows, I like to use a hint of purple. It gives a beautiful contrast against the greens and keeps everything balanced. The brushstrokes are loose. I'm not aiming for realism. I just want to capture the energy and flow of the tree. When the colors start blending together, that's my favorite moment. It feels like the tree is growing right on the paper. Every little curve, every drip of watercolor adds personality. So, tell me in the comments, what do you think about this kind of artistic, abstract tree?